Hi, all very interesting. This is very interesting to my, I think that it is very interesting. This is a Makita battery, and as you can see I'm connected to it, and basically this is a Makita reader, which means it can read the cells data, the model of the battery, the charge count and other data from the battery. I did not write it, but I downloaded it and I had an issue to run it, and I tried from Arduino Nano, because basically the one who wrote it to Visual Studio, and I converted it to Arduino, and you need to change things like the one wire library. You need to change it to the library that is different than the original one wire battery, one wire library. Okay, so I will show you in a minute how the Windows looks like on the PC. But what you're doing, you are building this connection. There's only 3 wires here. One is GND to GND of the battery, of course. The other is the wake up signal for the battery. And the third one is one wire. One wire is one connection wire that is duplicate, let's say, so you can read and write from each direction. It means you send signal to the battery, you wait for response and get a response back, and then you can write other data to the battery. And the reason I'm doing it because all the connection is not very clear, so I will show you how the connection goes like. So here on the battery you have a plug. On the plug you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wires, but the first one on my cable is not connected. The first one near the positive, so it is not connected. So the second after it, this is the wake up signal, and the signals that go back to the battery, the one wire, is near the minus, but not the first wire, the second wire. So you have the second wire from here on the connector and the second wire from here. Okay, I had an issue because it was not very clear how to connect it, and now I will show you how the battery read looks like. Okay, so hopefully you can see it because camera in one hand, and this is the application. You can see I'm connected, and then I read the battery model, and I can see the model is BL1850, which is 5 amp hour. The charge count is 12. It is unlocked, and if your battery is locked, so you can do the clear error on this side. Yeah, the clear error, and then you can reset battery message also. Okay, and okay, so here is the error, clear error. LEDs on. We light all the LEDs of the battery test, and LEDs off. Even if the battery is not charged, you can send a command to do it. And here down you can see all the data that is going from the battery. So basically this is all very simple, and I change it to Arduino, not to Visual Studio. Okay, so my next step is to try to build a standalone component with an LCD screen, touch LCD, that you will be able, in order not to use it with a PC, so it will be like portable, that you can connect it to any battery and get all the data. The most important stuff that is matters here is first unlock the battery. Sometimes Makita battery, if you are doing a dead short, it's locked, and if it is locked you cannot put it to the charger. It will not work and it will not give you voltage out, so you need to reset the battery and clear the error on the battery. You can do it with this application. Another important thing is, of course, to see the charge count, how many counts on this battery, so you will be able to know how many times you use it. So basically if you're using it a lot of time, so the power will decrease. You can also see the temperature sensor to the temperature sensor, which are not accurate because it is showing a wrong temperature. The temperature is higher about 5 Celsius than the normal temperature in my room. I don't know what is the reason. Maybe it is about this battery only, maybe this is other problem. The cell voltage, you can also see all the 5 cells voltage and to see if your battery is balanced or not. So if the battery is balanced, basically it is in a very good condition. If it is not, so it is near the end of its life. You can of course open the battery and try to do a charge to the cells that has less voltage, but usually these things don't work for a long time. So hope you enjoy that all. Thank you and bye.